of the Standing Council Seva, my lord, we were directed to my lord submit an instruction. Today I have not received any instruction, my lord. Maybe adjourn for a week, my lord. Within a week I will get.
Petitioner who's appearing for.
Petitioner, my lord, I have not seen them, my lord.
Have you informed them?
My lord, I have not informed them. My lord,
Let us wait for petitioner's counsel.
my lord, I am leaving this court, my lord, just now, my lord. That's why, my lord. So urgent matter is there, my lord. It is home. That's why, my lord, I am mentioning it. Otherwise, my friend, they can also, my lord.
One of them can mention
Yes,
it.
yes, my lord.
I'll keep that in mind.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Item 52, isn't it?
52.
Your Lordship, my lord, this matter was mentioned yesterday by my junior man. Your Lordship fixed the matter in the next week. My lord, matter is maximum urgent because, my lord, SMC has been constituted in violation of law. Now the DO has cancelled that SMC and asked the authority to constitute a new committee. But again, due to unknown reason, and the BO and headmaster has managed the DO and they are going to approve the same committee which was earlier cancelled. So if that is approved, then there will be serious loopholes of law because violation of law, no government representative was present here. So maximum urgent matter. Any day they may approve. So it may kindly be taken today as unlisted matter.
Not today, not tomorrow.
So, obliged.
Wait, please. Item number 11, we have filed an additional affidavit, placing on record certain subsequent facts. My lord, I may be allowed to bring it on record, my lord. Obliged. DPO.
No, Lordship.
But I have to mention item number 3, my lord. So in this case, I have to file an affidavit, my lord. I could not file a.
Wait for your turn.
Diploma.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 26. Your lordship, the conducting council is out of station. Kindly fix the matter on 21.
Why don't you give your adjournment slips? There's already a notification to that.
Sorry, lordship.
We wait for your turn.
Your Lordship, mentioning item number 5, Your Lordship, I'm proxy counsel for the petitioner Safiguddin Ahmed. Your Lordship, the main counsel is unable to come as her mother underwent an eye surgery and she's the only one to look after her. Your Lordship, requesting to kindly give a next date.
Wait for your turn.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, the conducting council is unwell today, lordship. Can
Wait
this
for your turn.
oblige?
No. If there are no adjournment slips, I'm not adjourning.
Oblige, your lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention an item for listing. It's a contempt case against the higher secondary education. And the last date of posting was 27 June. And since then it has not been listed.
Yes.
So it may be listed on 15th of November.
17th.
Lordship, 15th.
17th. Yeah.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, regarding item number 46 and 47, lordship. In this matter, the engaged counsel is Mr. A.R. Bhuya, lordship.
My lord, we have a serious objection in this matter, my lord. This
Lordship,
no adjournment, my lord. Let this matter reach, my lord, at least. Government is serious urgency.
Let it reach. You have not given your adjournment slip.
lordship, actually, on the other side, the learned additional AG is appearing, lordship, and he is also out of station, and we have informed him also.
Whatever it is, have you given your mention slip?
No, lordship. I apologize for that.
So wait for your turn.
Lordship.
I'll accommodate you, but wait for your turn.
Lordship.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention two matters for listing. Admission, lordship. Any date, lordship.
Yes. Yeah, 20 now.
Lordship, much obliged.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May I please, lordship? In this matter, lordship, I am on behalf of M. Soikia, lordship. He is not well, lordship. Due to some health issues, he is out of station. Kindly pass over the matter for 2 weeks, lordship, if it is possible.
Okay, and request made on behalf of M. Cycle and the council for petitioner. This will matter of the 2 weeks.
2.
May I please? Regarding pending benefits, my lord, leave salary and the area salary is pending. Rest has been made, my lord. Area salary on grant of, my lord, financial upgradation, page 50.
1 minute.
Yes, has been sanctioned, my lord.
JS sanctioned.
And regarding my lord, leave encashment, is under process.
Yes.
And my lord, page 50 is the order from, my lord, your lordship will find that MSCPS benefit has been granted to the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
And but the arrear salary which accrued in the event of grant of the MSCPS benefit, that has not been processed.
No, that is also under process, isn't it?
That is not processed, my lord.
No, leave engagement.
Leave encashment is under process, my lord. And the arrear salary in the event of grant of MSCPS benefit, my lord, page 50, your lordship will find under column number 18, 18.6 and 18.8. 3 MSCPS benefit have been granted, but the arrear salary is not paid, my lord.
So you're claiming arrear salary.
Yes, this is
So, my lord, may this is issue notice, my lord.
notice.
Why should I issue notice?
Notice.
It will
Get
may take some time, my lord.
the leave engagement?
It may take some time, my lord. So, my lord, may issue short notice.
Okay, I'll give you a short notice.
Yes, my lord.
But Mr. B. Prakash, Learners Council for the petitioner. Issue notice. Mr.
NJ Khatani, my lord.
J. Khatania, Learners Standing Council,
School education.
School Education Department, appeals for respondents, 1,
Yes.
3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, my lord, 4.
3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Accountant,
I'm appearing for accountant general.
MS?
P. Swargari. MSP Swargari.
Learners Standing Council, Accountant General.
On behalf of SK Media.
Okay, Mr. F. K. Mehdi, Learners Standing Council, Accountant General, appeals for respondent 5. Finance. Mr. H. Alia, Learners Standing Council, Finance, appeals for respondent number 6. Notice on respondents account. How the extra copies. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, my lord. My lord, may fix it after
Fix
3
the
weeks.
date, my lord.
Fix the date after 3 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks. Today is what?
First week of or second week of December, my lord.
Okay. 4th December.
Yes, my lord.
Your lordship may indicate kindly the my lord, arrear salary and the leave salary. That may be indicate, my lord. That is pending dues may be subject to.
That he.
Yes, I'll take care of it.
3.
Yes, Kanika.
I was supposed to file an affidavit, my lord, it's not affidavit. I could not file an affidavit. My lord. After 2 weeks, my lord, I could not contact my client. My lord.
Request made by Mr. Kanika, Learner Council for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Deep levels.
4.
May please the lordship, my lord.
Here I seek.
Instruction was called for. Yes.
Lordship may issue notice, lordship, but
Notice me issue, my lord, in the meantime. You are for health department.
yes, lordship.
But Mr.
Yeah, Miss Lam.
I'm Islam in the council for petitioner. Who appears for the respondent 1?
One lordship, although I am appearing, but they have clubbed 2 departments with only it should be personal department, not administration. The general administration the different concept. It should be only personal department.
Then you'll have to correct your course title.
Yes, ma'am.
There's no department as
Both are
administration.
administration and personal department. There is another, one department is the general administration department and another is personnel department.
Then I can issue notice. You file an IA for correction of the post title.
Obviously.
Mr. M. Islam, then counsel for the petitioner, press for 1 week time,
Yes,
1 week time to file an approved application for correction of the address of the respondent number 1. Press allowed, please stop to 1 week.
Obliged, my lord.
5,
Yes.
Yeah, Lordship, I'm proxy counsel for the petitioner Safiguddin Ahmed. Your Lordship, the main counsel is unable to come as her mother underwent an eye surgery and she's the only one to look after her. So requesting to kindly list the matter after 2 weeks.
Who's the counsel?
R. Deka, Runmodi Deka.
On request made on behalf of Mr. Adekal and the petitioner. Please stop to 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship. Much obliged.
6,
May I please? My lord,
Yes.
last occasion, my lord, instruction was sought for from the my lord department, my lord, whether it is.
Yes. Lordship, there is some instruction, Lordship. Chalia was supposed to take instructions, finance.
Finance?
Yes. Oh, some department. What is your instruction?
my instruction is that the pension proposal has already been sanctioned by the director of pension.
That is okay, that is central, that has been said.
Finance approval. The pension case has been finalized.
My lord, that has been challenged. Because, my lord, that is, my lord, in violation of the earlier order passed by this honorable court, as well as the agreement between the, my lord, parties.
Where is that order?
My lord, the order, earlier order, lordship will find at page, my lord, 16,
No.
the pension order, my lord.
Yeah, the impugn order.
Yes, impugn order, lordship will find at page 24. And my lord, 25.
Lordship, that pension order has been revalidated, Lordship. By the order dated 28/8/2023, the Lordship will find that in the instruction, in the second para, Lordship, the pension has already been finalized by the director of pension by the order dated so and so at 21/2018 and revalidated by order number so and so dated 28/8/2023.
Have you got the instructions?
No, my lord, no.
Give him a copy.
I will.
Lord, let them furnish the copy, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, notice may be issued, since there is a private party also.
Private party is there.
Yes.
What, Mr.
M.U. Mondal.
M.U. Mondal and issue notice. Therefore,
I'm
Mr.
for 1, 2, and 5, Lordship.
Ian Sharma,
Lordship.
the standing council, elementary education and place for respondents, 1,
1, 2, and 5.
1, 2, and 5.
For government.
Pension. Mr.
B. Dury, your
D. Devi, government advocate, appears for the respond number 3. Treasury officer.
Government.
Finance.
Government.
A. Chalia, London Standing Council Finance, appears for respond number 4. Petitioner to the extent notice on respond number 6 by within 1 week. Please stop the point.
Till then interim order may continue.
Interim order is there.
Yes.
Interim order passed early to continue till the next week.
Deep blood bless.
7.
May we please, my lordship, this is the matter relating the non-payment of salary. And on the last occasion, the instruction was called for.
From the date of your joining, you have not been paid.
Yes,
your
yes,
salary.
yes. We're awaiting instruction. I'll be taken up next week. I'll take a written instruction. Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr.
Pete Hakuria.
London
Yes.
Council for Peace. Mr.
R. Gogoi, Your Lordship.
R. Gogoi, London Standing Council,
Chorus, Your Lordship. Response number 1, 2, and 3.
press for another 1 week time to receive instructions. Space allowed. Yes, after 1 week.
My lordship, matter item 7 to 10 is similar. Similar.
After 1 week, huh? Item 7,
To 10.
7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10. Same, all same order?
Same.
Obliged, Lord.
That's all.
11.
The affidavit is on its way, my lord. Can it be taken up after some time? My lord?
Yes.
Amen.
12. 12.
'Who appears?
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, matter pertaining to non-payment of terminal benefits, lordship, to her deceased husband, lordship. On the last occasion, lordship was pleased to direct that take instruction, lordship.
Yes, any instructions?
Yes, Lordship. Let the notice be issued, my Lordship. Will
Have you received instructions?
yes, Lordship.
What instructions?
The non-payment of arrear salary is from August 2005 to October 2006, February 2008 to October 2009, January to June of June. Sixth revised pay arrear in April with effect from April 2008 to June 2003. Lordship will be filing our affidavit shortly.
Okay.
Lordship, notice may be issued.
Mr.
N.K. Sharma.
N.K. Sharma, London Council for the petitioner. Issue notice. Mr.
W.
W?
Rahman.
No, 1 minute. Finance.
Lordship,
Mr. A. Chalia, London Standing Council. Finance Department appears for respond number 1. Then Plain Tribes and other WBT. Aadhar. Mr. Aadhar, London Additional Senior Government, London Standing Council, isn't it? Appears for the respond number 2. 2 and 3. And how about 3?
3 APTDC, yes, standing out.
And, Mr.
A. Sharma, on behalf of A. Sharma, W. Rahman.
W. Rahman, London Council, appearing on behalf of A. Sharma. Appears for the respondents 3 and 4. So, notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies you finish.
Lordship, I have already served the extra district.
List of the 4 weeks.
Lordship, item number 13 is also similar.
Matter.
Give me item 13. 13. Same respondents?
Lordship.
Okay, same order.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
14.
May please, my lord. This is, my lord, for regular pension to the petitioner, my lord. Similar case was disposed of by this honorable Kudarshan, my lord. Instruction was sought for, my lord.
Lordship, here we have to obtain instruction, Lordship, because the petitioner appears to have been appointed in 1994 in the district of Sistar, Lordship. And those appointments of 1991, in between 1991 to 2001, there were lot of appointments. They were irregular and illegal appointments. And there were subsequent developments also, Lordship. And in terms of the cabinet memorandum in 2020, Lordship, some of the teachers have been accommodated after verifying, after they were made to appear before the screening committee, they were accommodated as teacher or tutor. And in regard to the petitioner as to whether they have been accommodated as teacher or tutor or at all they have not been accommodated, we have to obtain instruction. Perhaps, Lordship, in this matter, we have to file our affidavit as well, Lordship. And one of the
Issue notice.
there is not the only prayer that the petitioner is asking for the pension. He is asking for the regular salary, arrear salary from the current.
Mr.
M. Kalita.
Kalita, Learned Council for Petitioner, issue notice. Mr. P. N. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, School Education Department appears for respondents.
Respondent number, Lordship,
1,
1, 4, 1, 4, 6, 7, and 8.
1, 4, 6, 7. Finance. Mr. A. Chalia, Learned Standing Council, Finance appears for respondent number 2. Respondent number 2. And pension. Mr. D. Bora, Leonard, Government Advocate appears for the respondent number 3. And
for 5.
A. Hassan, Leonard Standing Council Accountant General appears for respondent number 5. Notice and respondent are complete. However, it's complete. Respondents have a required contract level. Please consider for votes.
15,
15 also same, my lord.
Same, Lordship. Similar matter.
Same matter,
Yes, ma'am.
same respondents.
Yes, Lord. No, Lordship. Respondents are different.
No. First, M. Kalita, Learned Council for the petition, issue notice. Mr. B. N. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, School Education Department.
Respondent number 1, 4, 7, 8,
Appears for
9,
1,
and 10.
1,
1, 4,
7,
7, 8, 9, and 10.
8, 9, and 10. Pension. No, finance. A. Chalia, Learned Standing Council, Finance appears for respondent number 2. Pension. D. Bora, Learned Government Advocate appears on behalf of respondents. 3 and 6. And Mr. Who appears Accountant General? R. Ali. R. Ahmed. Learned Standing Council Accountant General appears for respondent 5. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies will follow. Respondent follow the file count. List like the 6 have 4 weeks.
16,
May I please, Your Lordship. Actually, the matter pertains to non-payment of area salaries, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, instruction was called for.
Dima, sir.
Lordship,
Not Dima, NC Hills.
And
Yes,
says,
Lordship.
Lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, we have not received any instructions till now. Sometime maybe.
Earth H. Talukta.
Let's-
General Council. Mr.
C. Sharma, Lordship.
C. Sharma, Learned Standing Council,
Yes, Lordship.
NC Hills Autonomous Council. Submits that he is yet to receive instructions and prays for some more time. Stop. Praise allowed. How much time
Lordship, 2 weeks.
is after 2 weeks?
A date may be fixed, Lordship. A date may be.
Finish the matter on 1 week, 2 weeks, 24th.
Obliged, Lordship.
17,
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, on 25, I have some problem, Lordship. 26, Lordship.
28.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please, your lordship.
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, the instruction sought from the respondent, Lordship. The instruction yet to receive, Lordship. Lordship, one thing, Lordship, the court may issue notice, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, no, fix the date, Lordship, issue notice. Then we submit our instruction.
Yes, Catania.
Yes, my lord. Let me issue a short notice, my lord.
Yeah.
I'm praying for substance and allowance, my lord.
Interim granted.
Okay, hurt NG Catania, learner council petition. Issue notice. You are appealing for
Lordship, 1 and 2, Lordship.
1 and 2. You are appealing as additional senior governor.
No, standing council, Lordship. Standing council,
Mr. J.K. Goswami, the standing council,
cooperative Apex Bank, Lordship.
Assam Cooperative Apex Bank, notice appearance on behalf of respondents 1 and 2. Notice on respondents are complete. Extra
No,
copies.
already received.
I have
Lordship. Already received.
Comments are notified.
May pray for a fixed date, my lord.
Please the matter again. How much time you require?
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. Okay. 24th.
Lord.
18.
Right, then 18, my lord, I'm praying for some more time, my lord. Supposed to obtain the instruction, my lord. My lord, may fix it on next week.
Transfer order, my lord, issued by the, my lord, authority who has no, my lord, jurisdiction. It ought to have been.
M.U. Mandal and the council for the petition. Mr. N.J. Katena, and standing council, elementary education department. Request for some more time to receive instructions. Please the matter again on when?
Next week, any date, my lord.
17th.
17.
Oblige.
My lord, till then, my lord, may I pay some interim protection, my lord?
There is an observation that on last, upon receipt of the instruction, my lord.
So we'll consider on 17th.
He is on, my lord, medical leave, my lord.
Prayer for interim shall be considered on the next.
Oblige.
Oblige, sir.
Item 11.
May it please, Your Worship. I filed an additional affidavit, placing on record the subsequent facts that took place during the pendency of the petition.
Court had asked him to file a fresh petition for commuted leave, fresh
If your
application. before the
lordship kindly turns to page 54, the last order, page 54 of the affidavit, my lord. 16/10/2023, my lord, and second paragraph, MS so and so, my lord, on instructions submits that the prayer for voluntary retirement made by the petitioner is under process. However, the request for commuted leave could not be processed as the same is not in proper format. In that view of the matter, the petitioner is directed to file another application for commuted leave in proper format along with all the connected medical documents within a period of 1 week from today. And if your lordship kindly turns to the next page, my lord, the next page. So within 3 days, we filed an application, and 19th October 2023, District Sports Officer Jorhat, my lord, he writes to the director and he says, subject is forwarding of leave application and other related documents for commuted leave in respect of Ajit Kumar Das, Inspector of Physical Education, along with extension of leave on medical ground from so-and-so to so-and-so. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to forward herewith the leave application in respect of Sri Ajit Kumar Das, Inspector of Physical Education, applying for commuted leave in proper format, along with leave account statement and medical documents for sanctioning on medical ground with effect from so-and-so to so-and-so. In addition to that, Shri Ajit Kumar Das, Inspector, has applied for extension of leave in proper format within bracket form number so-and-so, subsidiary rule 73 on medical ground with effect from so-and-so to so-and-so. My lord, a copy was given to me. After that, my lord, nothing has been communicated from their side.
Yes.
Lordship, 19th October will take some time to process, your lordship. I will get the
Let them, my
instruction
lord,
necessary about what is going on with the commuted leave, your lordship.
Let them file an affidavit indicating the exact status, my lord. That will clear the issue. Exact status could be.
Okay, yes.
Lordship, both, it seems that both of the things, voluntary retirement and this are under process. So let me get updated instructions as to what is going on with both the two, plus precise instructions regarding both.
Let them get the instruction
Hard to
and
say, okay, Gaurav. Then council for the petition. Stop. Mr.
C.S. Hazarika, Your Lordship.
C.S. Hazarika, then it's. You already,
Lordship,
you already
government advocate, Your Lordship.
government. Press for supply. You enable him to receive instructions. With regard to the voluntary retirement made by the petitioner as well as the request for community leave. Stop. When do you want it?
Lordship, it will be to his benefit if a slightly longer date is given, otherwise 2 weeks time can also.
Okay. List the matter after 2 weeks.
as my learned friend.
For his benefit, because then they can incorporate the latest thing, that's why I'm saying, otherwise 2 weeks is also enough for me, Your Lordship.
Let him file an affidavit indicating the exact status.
Okay. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Into motor pass.
Obliged, deeply obliged.
19, admission.
May it please your lordship. This relates to the parity of pay, your lordship, between the directorate office as well as the secretariat office. These are the heads of the, we are working under the heads of the department. So we are claiming a pay parity with our counterparts who are at the secretariat, your lordship. Now the issue is that the pleadings have been exchanged and the pleadings are completed. I pray that it may be fixed on a hearing day in the admission column itself.
Is it? Okay. Heard Mr.
R. Sinha.
R. Sinha, then council for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
C.S. Hazarika for respond number 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
C.S. Hazarika for the respondents. 1 and 2. Okay. How about the others?
For
Finance.
3, I think it will be Mr. A. Fukan.
But nobody is representing.
No, he was representing, but perhaps he is in some other court. And 4 and 5, your lordship, finance will be there.
List the matter. When do you want?
In the month of December, your lordship.
On request made by the parties, list the matter for admission on when? 5th. 5th December.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
20, $20,
None appears for the petition. List of the 2 weeks.
Your lordship, I appear for respondent numbers 1 and 2.
Mr. D. Bora, and additional senior government.
No, junior government.
Junior government, government appears for respondent 1. List of the 2 weeks.
21,
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, my senior is on legs. Kindly pass over for that time.
22,
May I please, your lordship. My lord, the matter relates to recovery of overdone amount of rupees 69,302. My lord, in this regard, my lordship may kindly see the last order 19/2023, my lord.
1 minute, 1 minute.
My lord.
My lord, after 10 minutes. Obliged. Copy to them, my lord, a short date may be fixed, my lord. Actually, what
Have you
happens, my
filed your
lord?
additional affidavit?
My lord?
Have you filed your additional affidavit?
Yes, my lord. Lordship may come to page 45, my lord. This is second additional affidavit. This is a letter from the Accountant General Office to the presiding officer member,
That I've seen.
MSC in Albany, my lord. Asking them to approach
Have you
the.
got a copy of the additional?
No, lord.
affidavit?
I'll serve.
Mr. J. Shamal and counsel for petitioner shall furnish copies of the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner to the learned counsel applying for the respondents within the course of the day. Please, doctor, 1 week.
1 week, my lord.
1 week.
A date may be fixed, my lord.
1 week. 17th.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Twenty-one.
May I please the lordship?
That was 22, isn't it? Or 21 was missed out.
May I please the
Yes,
lordship?
please.
Matter regarding pension and other pensionary benefits, my lord.
Have you filed
Lordship,
your affidavit?
we have received a copy.
You want to file a reply?
My lord, reply is not necessary, but they have stated that gratuity amount has been paid without any supporting documents.
Okay.
That was not annexed, and I denied they have not paid my gratuity amount.
So they have stated in the affidavit that gratuity has been paid. Correct.
Stated.
Now you have to deny, isn't it? By way of a reply.
You have to reply,
You have to file a reply.
my lord.
Mr.
D. Bora.
D. Bora, learned counsel for petitioner. Press for
3 days time.
press for 3 days time to file a reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent before.
My lord, after 1 week, fix a date, my lord. May I
Yes.
pray for a fixed date after
Yes.
1 week?
17th.
Obliged.
23.
Lordship, in this case, the finance department has filed an affidavit yesterday. I'm not able to go through it, Lordship. Lordship will post it after 4 weeks, Lordship.
On
If required, Lordship.
request made by Mr.
SK Das, Lordship.
SK Das.
And Lordship, the affidavit may not come in the record, Lordship. Yesterday they have filed. Oh, it's
By respond number 2.
Yes, my lord.
Elementary education.
No, my lord. Finance department. It is by my lord, respondent number 4. Perhaps it has not been tagged with record, my
Okay,
lord.
heard SK Das, learning counsel for the petitioner, Mr. R. Babu Jari, learning standing counsel finance department. Submits that the respondent has filed an affidavit on yesterday. Yesterday is what? 7.
7, my lord.
7. Registered to verify and place the same on record. If found in on. This again on after 1 week, 2 weeks.
After 3 weeks.
This up 2 weeks.
Obliged. And so, blind to
24.
My lord, this matter relates to pensionary benefits and area salary. What happened, my lord? That before this is the second litigation. I have already filed a first WPC case, and that case, my lord, was disposed of by this honorable court, and subsequently.
Counter has been filed. Affidavit has
No,
been filed.
my lord, about
His
4.
provisional pension has been sanctioned. I can place the document from last year, December. And my lord, his final proposal is pending with AG. But my lord, what had happened pending this case, my lord? He has come out a different calculation altogether, which is hard, which is coming as a hurdle in finalizing his final proposal. And as regards his first case, my lord, there was a direction to conclude a DP and give him consequential benefits, which he has accepted by filing a contempt of every penny he has taken. Now he has come in a different calculation which goes to crores. And this is the
No,
document.
my lord, I want to submit regarding his submission. Very wrong submission he has submitted. By my respectful submission before this honorable court, Now, in first WPC case, your lordship, this is an order, my lord, I have received recently that during the pendency of the instant WPC, second WPC case, suddenly they have issued this PPO letter by 8 years absence. They have shown 8 years absence to an expertise inquiry report. They are going to deduct 8 years salary for my last.
Okay, today we don't have time.
Yes, my lord,
Take
and
up some order.
that's why, my lord, I want to challenge. I want to challenge this order also.
Which order?
This.
This grant of pension, provisional pension order.
What is it? I have not received, my lord.
Then on your request, I'll
My lord,
I'll adjourn the matter.
my lord, this order. I have
Doesn't
recently.
matter, doesn't matter.
This is a PPO letter. They have fixed the.
So you want to challenge that PPO letter?
PPO letter, that's 18,000 to 3,000 per monthly. They have fixed, but I am entitled to receive. As per last pay order, last pay, I was entitled to receive 52,000, and that was not calculated as per 6th pay and 7th pay commission. That is very serious matter, my lord, because I want to challenge this order. Lord, I may be allowed to challenge by way of additional effect, because if I want to challenge, my lord, by way of amendment, then it will go sufficient time.
You can file a new writ petition, subsequent writ petition.
I'll file an I application.
You can file a new writ petition.
New writ petition for
Challenging that order,
another writ petition.
whatever this, I
Well,
don't know.
My lord, what happened? If there is a problem, my lord, because during the pendency of this case, my lord, there are so many things to be placed before this honorable group. Now, because I want to, then I may be allowed to amend this WBC. Only challenging this PPO order.
Okay, Mr. S.
As
Sharma.
Sharma.
Leonard counsel for the petitioner prays for some time to enable him to file an application praying for amendment of the.
Amendment, yes.
Praise the Lord. List after 2 weeks.
Please.
2 weeks. Yeah.
$25.
But this is order dated 14/6/23 and 20/22/9/23. Pension, my lord, budgetary allocation they are sought. It has not been provided to them. And
Mr. Das, today we don't
I
have time.
understand, I understand.
Some problem is there.
I understand. Let it be on Friday, my lord, they are to apprise position regarding pension and area selling.
Lordship, let be on next Wednesday or Thursday, Lordship. I'll be receiving further instruction. Lordship.
Heard Mr. B.D. Das, then the senior counsel, assisted by Mr. M.S. R. Dekal and counsel for petitioner. On request made by Mr. P. Chowdhury, then the standing counsel. BTC, list the matter again on.
Lordship, Wednesday next.
For apprising the position of pension and area selling.
On 15th. To enable him to apprise this court with regard to the pension and area salary of the petitioner.
But it has been going on since 2012. Wednesday. Obliged.
26.
Yes, there was a prayer for adjournment.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, my senior is out of station.
Who's your senior?
Mr. Jyotirmoy Roy.
Okay. On request made on behalf of Mr. J. Roy and the senior counsel for the petitioner.
Kindly fix the matter on 21.
On 21 will not. Okay, 21.
Next.
27.
Please, your lordship, in regard to item number 25, my senior used to appear in item number 25. Kindly an order may be passed wherein striking off our names, Mr. K.K. Mahanto.
He's not appearing.
He's not appearing.
Registry is also directed to strike out the name of Mr. K.K. Mahanto, senior counsel from the first list.
Oblige, your lordship.
Yes, Saikya.
Wait, please, your lordship. Item 27, we have filed our affidavit. We will file a countermand. No, I am not going to file countermand.
You are not filing reply.
It's on the record, in the petition, everything is there, my lord.
Is there by affidavit in opposition by response number 3?
By the finance department, my lord, but the finance department has not filed any affidavit, my lord.
I'm appealing for transport department, my lord, 13485.
In this case, transport is respondent three, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. Respondent one and finance.
Who is appearing for finance? Are you filing your affidavit?
Yes, my lord. We'll have to file an affidavit.
My lord, only one thing, my lord, in identical case, my lord, in as regards, my lord, another petitioner, another person in the same department, my lord, the Honorable Labor Court has, my lord, decided that they are entitled to gratuity. That gratuity may be paid, directed to be paid, my lord. I have got the Labor Court order, my lord.
That we'll see later on. But I can. One request made by R. Babujari, then understanding of the finance department. How much time?
My lord, I will require 4 weeks time, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, they have not served extra copies, my
No,
lord.
no,
I will seek a copy, my lord, from my
Okay, don't
colleague.
say like that. Don't say that. Mr. R. Babujari, then understanding council understanding of finance department is allowed. I'll give you 3 weeks time. 3 weeks time to file complaint. You want a date?
My lord, retired person, my lord, gratuity may be directed to be paid, my lord. They are entitled, my lord. That has been decided by the Labor Court, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, you're not aware, my lord, that let a copy be given, my lord, will verify.
That has been served to them, my lord, by the, and my lord, it has been forwarded by the parent department also, my lord. This is a
Did
forwarding.
you receive a copy of?
I don't know about this, my lord. So on the next date, we'll also verify the document.
List down. After 3 weeks. 4th December.
My lord.
The order has been forwarded by the, my lord, Deputy Director, my lord.
You take instructions on this income.
28.
Lordship, speak the matter on my lord.
4th.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the item number 28, the petitioner before the lordship was regularized. In fact, my lord, he was appointed after due selection process. But my lord, after his appointment, after around, my lord, 20 days, his appointment was kept in abeyance. And my lord, he continued as, my lord, in the earlier capacity till his retirement. By now he has been retired from his service. But my lord, his regular appointment was never, my lord, withdrawn during his, my lord, service period.
Here also, Babujari, are you filing your affidavit or not? Or not?
In this case, my lord, Transport Department has filed.
Yeah, transport has filed.
Yeah, my lord. Our OM will not put to challenge here.
I have been regularly appointed. I am not required to challenge that OM, my lord. In this case, my lord.
Lordship, I will be filing affidavit here also.
But I cycle and a council competition. Mr. R. Babujari, then standing council finance department is allowed.
My lord, 3 weeks time, my lord.
3 weeks time to file contract.
Only prayer, my lord, lordship may observe, my lord, the Transport Department will take instruction on the, my lord, entertainment of gratuity as it has been decided by the Labor Court. That may be observed, my lord, so that, my lord, they can take the instruction properly.
Please, a matter again on what? In the meantime, then standing council. What transport?
Transport Department, my lord.
Transport department shall take instructions with regard to the entitlement of the gratuity.
As decided by the Labor Court, my lord.
That is something.
In both the cases, my lord. 27, 28.
The model is first.
29.
On 4th, lordship speaks, my lord.
Yes.
Number 29, Lordship, may I please, Lordship? Lordship, last occasion or Honorable Court directed to file affidavit, Lordship, that was ready, Lordship, then sent for vetting, Lordship. We have to receive that affidavit.
Non appears for the petition. Mr.
A. Chakraborty.
Then the governor is allowed 1 week time.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file contract. List of 2 weeks.
30.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, the matter relates to non-payment of pension, lordship.
Yes.
By
any
order
instruction?
dated 30/9/2022, Lordship, this court directed to bring the records, Lordship.
Yes, who appears for the other side?
Lordship, they sought some further time, Lordship.
What MS?
P. Sharma.
P. Sharma, learned counsel. You have to produce the records.
Yes.
TS case number.
Lordship.
Correct. Mr. Yasha Barwal, then it's governor. Praise for how much time?
Lordship, 4 weeks.
Why 4 weeks with this?
And Lordship, 3 weeks then.
Lordship, already more than 1 year.
Praise for 3 weeks time. To produce the records as directed by this court on 59/20.
Obliged.
Just after 3 weeks.
God bless you.
31.
Your Lordship, matter relates to non-payment of pensioner benefit, Your Lordship. AG is supposed to bring the instruction, and I am told that they have the instruction, Your Lordship.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, as on 5th of July 2023, we have forwarded the FPPO in favor of the petitioner of rupees 3840 and rupees 5730 per month, being enhanced and normal family pension.
Your Lordship, let them file their affidavit and
We'll
we'll
file your affidavit then.
we'll take also instruction from our client, Your Lordship.
Okay. But Mr.
R. Kaman.
Our common learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes.
MS.
Peace Vulgari on behalf of SK Medhi.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of SK Medil and standing counsel. Accountant General submits that they have received instructions and place for 1 week time, 2 weeks time,
Lordship, 3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file affidavit. Praise the Lord. This took 3 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
32 to 40.
Yeah, madam, I am praying for some more time to file affidavit.
Lordship, they may pray for time, Lordship, but Lordship, we are without salary for the last 1.5 years, Lordship. We are provincialized in 2021, then abruptly, Lordship, our salary has been stopped, Lordship. And our provincialization order was issued under the order of the governor, Lordship. Without issuing any so-called, Lordship, how can they stop our salary? We have not been terminated, we have not been put to any so-called, Lordship, no departmental proceeding. Simply, they have stopped our salary, and we are still working, Lordship. Our service has not been disturbed, Lordship. For the last 1.5 years, Lordship, we are without salary.
Yes.
Give me some time, my lord. I will file a detailed affidavit, my lord.
How much time you have?
3 weeks, my lord.
But Mr. SK Das, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
May I please your lordship, before your lordship gives the dictation, only one thing. My lord, over here, mine is next item, my lord. Similar, all our matter are analogous, my lord. My lord, only over here, if your lordship pleases, my lord. The question of survival has come to question now.
The question of?
Survival, my lord. My lord, 1 year is 7 months without any salary, nothing.
Then,
Well, 3
my
weeks.
lord, let us.
I will not give you, I will give you 2 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, what I'm saying, if your lordship allows, my lord, at least ask them to give us the current salary. We have not been terminated, nothing. At least to survive. We are working, giving our service 100%. But we are without salary for last 19 months.
Well,
And that is also, my lord, about 10,000 something as a tutor. It's a question of survival. Let us eat and go to the school. It is that now our kids are, my lord, dying of hunger. It is that situation. After 20 years of service, you get the provincialization. And now for 19 months, you are not given that 10,400 rupees. What I'm asking, give us the current salary.
Well,
Do whatever you feel like.
Yes.
Well, I'll put my instruction on affidavit, my lord. After 2 weeks, my lord will pass the appropriate order after 2 weeks.
Lordship, till then, Lordship, that
My lord, what I'm
Lordship
saying, my lord, only
say
request, at least for
current salary
survival,
will
my
be-
lord, current salary.
Consider it on the next week.
Yes, my lord.
But SK Das, then the counsel for the petitioner. On request made by NG Khatania, then standing council. Which
Department of School Education.
school education department? 2 weeks time is allowed to file counter affidavit. List down. 23rd.
My lord, if your lordship permits only one line, my lord, on the next date, if they don't produce any instruction, the question of current salary will be considered, my lord.
Okay, if no affidavit is filed by the respondents by the next returnable date, the issue of paying current salary shall be to the petitioners shall be considered.
Lordship, two more repetitions, Lordship, similar repetition, Lordship may take with Lordship, WBC 7843 of 2023 and WBC 7853 of 2023, same matters.
List these matters along with WBC number
7843 of 2023
and then
and 7853 of 2023.
Obliged, Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
41.
May I please, your lordship? Here in this case, my lord, on the last occasion, 29/9/2023, my lord, your lordship directed the finance department to obtain instruction, my lord. Affidavit already filed by the PWD department, my lord. Testimony number 4, my lord.
yeah, finance.
They are not receiving the salary, my lord, since 2018, my lord.
Lordship, we have not received any instructions yet. Wait for some time, Lordship. Thanks, Lordship.
Petitioners are without salary. All
Since
this-
2018, my lord.
How much time you require?
2 weeks, Lordship. Thanks,
Okay, 2 weeks.
My lord, may I date me fixed, please?
I allow when council population. On request made by MS,
I am Barwa, Lordship.
I am Barwal and standing council.
For HLU, Lordship.
On request made by Mr. H. Ali, and standing council, finance department, 2 weeks time is allowed to file contract. This on 24th November.
42.
Also, petitioner though retired from service, they want retrospective benefit of promotion and financial benefit. And government was supposed to file affidavit also.
Yes, have you filed your affidavit? Respondent 2 has filed affidavit.
Yes, we have filed on 3/4/2023.
But ওইখান file করেছে না? So Lordship may release this matter for admission hearing or for disposal.
On request made by Mr. S.K. Kuthami, learning council of the petition. Please the matter when?
December.
On 7th December. For
Public.
43.
Well, the petitioner before Lordship is some civil service officer and was put under suspension in the month of February. Now, thereafter, my lord, the extension was given to the suspension order in derogations of the rules that has been provided under some, my lord, service rules, my lord. And my lord, another extension was given. We put the question that this extension, whatever given, that is beyond the period of 90 days. Therefore, this honorable court vide order dated. Lordship, kindly have a look to order dated 16/8/2023. Last line. Record anything? On the next date, fix the respondent in the Department of Personnel A cell, place the records of so-and-so wherein the secretary to the government of Assam in Department of Personnel issued to the suspension order of the petitioner dated 9/2/2022 as well as the order of extension of suspension dated 24/5/2023. They failed to produce. Another date was sought for. Lordship, kindly see 30/8/2023.
Your Lordship, we have received the records. Your Lordship may fix it on any date, be it next Tuesday, so.
I have to go through the record and produce
My lord,
whatever.
Lordship kindly see that if record has been produced, now he wants to go to the records, my lord. The issue is very simple.
Let him at least go through the records.
Understood, my lord. Only thing is that, my lord, so
That's
far this
it, it-
extension is concerned, my lord. Only one test is required to be done, my lord, that whether it is beyond 90 days or not, my lord. And it apparent from the extension order, it reveals that this is out of 90 days, my lord. Just to confirm the.
Records will speak. Records
Absolutely, my lord.
heard Mr. S. Chamaria and the council.
Tuesday, my lord, can
Mr. De Boral and the government advocate submits that he has received records and placed for some time to enable him to go through. Please, accordingly, list the matter on. When do you want,
My
Boral?
lord, Tuesday, my lord, some urgency is there, my lord. He's suffering, she's suffering, my lord.
Tuesday is a holiday.
Your lordship.
Okay, 14th.
16th, your lordship. 16th.
Okay, 16th.
My lord. Tuesday, holiday, is it, huh?
Tuesday is not our.
Oh, my lord, sorry.
I'm sorry to say, Lordship. Yeah, I think 42, Lordship, the affidavit of the finance department have to be filed, Lordship, as per order dated, Lordship, 3/4/2023. That affidavit is necessary because financial benefit is involved. Affidavit of the finance department.
Who appears for finance?
It was directed on 3/4/2023. B Gogoi appeared, Lordship.
No, there's no direction to issue to file affidavit.
Lordship, on 3/4/2023,
That's what. None appears on behalf of finance department. That's all.
because the affidavit is the necessary for the finance department. They have agreed. Finance department affidavit, because financial benefit is involved, Lordship.
That day they were not represented. How did they agree?
Only affidavit has been filed by the Economics and Statistics Director.
Who is appearing for finance department? Today also none appears for finance department.
I will call Lordship. I will call
So
Lordship.
not required. We'll fix it on the day, let them come.
Lordship. Oblige.
Attend the-
44.
For a timing, man, my senior is on lake at port number
I
36.
can't. Not for time being. On request made on behalf of IS cycle and council position, at least up to 1 week.
45.
Malad, here, our affidavit is ready, my lord, we can 10 days time, my lord, we'll file it.
A date will be given after 10 days, my lord.
But he brought Rasta, then a council position. Mr. N.G. Katania, then it's standing council, secondary education.
Secondary,
Department submits the application, you see, and then he will be finding the same within a period of 10 days. Accordingly, this the matter on 22nd November.
Oblige.
46, 47.
Yes, there was the prayer for adjournment.
Yes, Lordship. Actually, in this matter, question of law is involved and presence of engaged counsel is very important, Lordship. So we, on the other side, D. Majumdar sir appears on behalf of the.
That is immaterial.
So,
That
yeah.
is, that government council is not your concern.
Lordship. So Lordship, on that, considering that fact, Mr. Airway is out of station due to some unavoidable reasons. Lordship may fix the date on next week, any date.
The date may be fixed, but may be recorded that in the event they seek an adjournment on that date, the interim order will be vacated.
Lordship, on that day.
On request made on behalf of Oyang. When do you want?
Lordship,
15th.
interim may be continued up till the next date, actually.
No, when do you want? Date?
15th, my lord, subject to the convenience of this honorable court.
15.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
48.
May I please, your lordship? Well, on the last occasion, this matter was already heard on length, lordship. The matter is relating to transfer and posting. And issue is involved only with the lordship jurisdiction of the government, whether the government can delegate the power of the commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development, lordship. And your lordship wanted to know whether the commissioner can be termed as the government. That is the issue, lordship.
Yeah, where's Conway?
Yes, lordship. Transfer matter.
Acha.
But today I can't take up this matter.
Otherwise, this is an urgent matter because matter is relating.
No, we'll
after and
fix,
posting.
we'll fix within this week.
Lordship on 14 lordship.
Okay. Third, I have gone by the council for the petition. Is appearing?
P. Handick on behalf of K. Kumar.
Also heard Mr. P. Hendrik, Learning Council appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Gunwar, Learning Senior Standing Council,
PNRD.
PNRD Department. This matter again on
14, 11. My lord, one thing may be observed, lordship. On that day, lordship, endeavor shall be taken to dispose.
an individual with.
Obliged.
49.
You can,
My lord, Mr. Nair was appearing in this matter, senior counsel, my lord. So maybe.
none appears for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
58 of supplementary list admission.
May it please your lordship, kindly sometime we granted lordship to file an objection lordship.
Objection?
If it is, upon response 6.
Respond number 6.
6 lordship.
How about the other respondents?
Respondent number 4 file affidavit lordship.
Yes. Atania, the inspector of schools has filed counter affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Are you filing any more affidavit?
No, my lord.
Third MS,
F in touch lord. F in touch.
if in touch, then the council for petition. Stop. MS,
J Gold.
J Ghosh, then the council applying for response number 6. Praise for,
To file affidavit
how
lordship.
much time?
Lordship 2 weeks.
2 weeks time. Praise for, list of comments.
Problem.
Okay.
59.
It's a substantial matter, my lord. I have received an instruction that he has been paid his subsistence allowance, he has been paid. That is there. But, my lord,
None appears for the petition. List after 1 week.
1 week.
50 of daily list order.
Lordship, matter may be taken up for next week.
Yeah, appearing on behalf of,
M.U. Mahmood.
on request made on behalf of.
Otherwise, also lordship, the petitioner has been recommended as tutor lordship.
List the matter. Up to 1 week.
Obliged.
51.
ROP addition money. May it please your lordship. In this case, my lord, I am seeking review of an order, my lord, passed by your lordship, which is at page 84. In fact, my lord, submission was made by the counsel for the petitioner on that at that point of time, wrongly, my lord, and for which, my lord, this finding was recorded by your lordship. Paragraph 3. May I read, my lord?
Oh.
It must be brought on record that neither the petitioner nor the respondent number 5 is eligible to hold the post of headmaster in terms of Rule 14(2) of Assam Secondary Education Provincial Service Rules 2018, in as much as both of them has not completed 10 years of teaching experience. In fact, my lord, I have completed 10 years of teaching experience. And my lord, the respondent number 5 further does not have the B.Ed degree, whereas the petitioner has B.Ed degree. It is admitted fact that the respondent number 5 is senior to the petitioner. He is not senior to me, my lord. I was appointed prior to him. His service was, my lord, provincialized on, my lord, 1/1/2013. But my lord, I was appointed, my lord, much prior to that, my lord.
Okay, but today there's no time, Sakya.
So, my lord, lordship may issue notice, my lord, and this order may be stayed, my lord. Because, my lord, it will have effect, my lord, on my promotion to the post of headmaster, my lord, as the
Who
process.
appears on the others?
The department, my lord.
Heard Mr. I.S. Sakya, and the counsel for the review petition. Issue notice. Mr. N.G. Katanya and the standing counsel, School Education Department appears for respondents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Petitioner to take steps for his service of notice on respond number 5 by a registered post agent within 1 week. Stop. Please stop the 4 weeks. I'm not staying the order. Let us see what happens after.
The regular process for regular selection is going on, my lord. This will have bearing on the regular selection also, my lord. That is why, my lord, I am playing for a stay, my lord. If these findings are there, my lord.
How can I stay the order? Unless you show cogent reasons.
My lord, I will take your lordships to the ROP. In the ROP, my lord, the petitioner was initially appointed.
Then let us not issue notice at this stage.
My lord.
We'll list it on Wednesday, 15th. Then we'll hear the matter.
My lord.
Cancel the order. Heard I.S. Cycle and counsel for the petition. Also heard N.J. Katanya and standing counsel, School Education Department. List the matter on 14th. Oh, 15th.
52.
Well, item 42, my lord. Actually, the name of finance department has not been reflected. Instead, my name has been reflected. We'll file a affidavit on behalf of the finance department. Lordship has posted after 2 weeks. So in the meantime, Lordship may record that I will file my affidavit on behalf of the department.
Oh, that one,
Item 43.
this guy has taken the order. In the meantime,
Hey,
in the meantime, the finance department shall file contra affidavit. I fix it on 4th.
But the only thing, my lord, the SC finance may be reflected, not my name. Anybody can.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of standing counsel finance in the first place.
52.
May it please, my lord. I filed one IA for impediment of SEBA and the pension
Yeah,
department.
you wanted some adjournment, isn't it?
My lord, I didn't seek for adjournment. SEBA.
Standing counsel for the SEBA.
Oh, yes.
Actually, my lord, the instructions are awaited, but my lord, this impediment is important, my lord. This is just for the impediment. Instructions can be taken on the next date with the main petition. My lord, may I make one small prayer, my lord? My lord, the service has been completed in the instant case.
Do you have any instructions whether?
Lordship, in so far as the provisional.
No. So far as the implement is concerned.
Implement, Lordship, I have no objection, Lordship.
You want to implement whom?
My lord, SEBA and my lord, the pension department, my lord, as necessary parties for the proper adjudication of the case.
Then why was SEBA making a mention?
There were certain.
My lord, this is regarding the age of the petitioner, my lord. There is a discrepancy. The case is about that only, my lord. So those instructions must be awaited, my lord. It was to be given today, but it seems that perhaps SEBA has taken time regarding that.
So you have any objections?
I have no objection, Lordship. Perhaps in that matter, Lordship, in the petition, the SEBA was not made party earlier.
Correct.
And there was a direction of the Honorable Court to obtain instruction. So
that is why I am making SEBA the necessary party out here.
But Mr.
P.R. Sharma.
P.R. Sharma, the counsel for the petition. The applicant who is the writ petitioner is praying for implement of within bracket 1. The Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Pensions and Public Grievances, Government of Assam, House Fed Complex,
Beltula Guwahati 781006 Assam. And number 2, the chairman, Board of Secondary Education, within bracket Assam, Railway Colony Road, Railway Colony, Babuni Maitan, Guwahati 781021. As party respondents number,
My lord, 8 and 9.
respondents number
8 is, my lord, the pension department, and 9 will be Chairman Seba.
89. In WBC number 2697 of 2023. On the ground that the said parties are necessary parties for adjudication of the main while adjudicating the main. Mr. Ben Chairman and the Standing Council.
Department of School Education.
Has no objections.
Lordship, insofar as Lordship, I have not.
Has no objections. Accordingly, this court has also perused the question in the present application and is satisfied. Accordingly, prayer for improvement is allowed.
My lord, I may take steps upon respondent number 8, my lord. 9, I have already served.
No, you have to file your first amended post title.
My lord, I'll.
In view of the order passed today in IS so let so and so be impleted as party respondent number 8 and 9.
8 and 9.
8 and 9. Petitioner is directed to file an amended cost title within the period of 1 week.
1 week, my lord.
List after 1 week.
My lord, can a date be fixed if it pleases, my lord? Please, my lord, it's a pension matter. Since last year, I have not got my pension.
17th.
17. Highly obliged, my highly obliged.
53.
Yeah, please, your lordship. In this matter, the respondents were asked to file affidavit.
Madam, kindly grant me, Madam, 4 weeks time, Madam. I am appealing for respondent number.
But Mr.
SP Das, Madam.
S. Ravat, my
Yes, Robert, and the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S.P. Das, and the standing counsel,
That respondent number 3 and 6, Madam.
employment and craftsman
Yes, Madam.
training
Yes, Madam.
is allowed how much time?
4 weeks time, Madam, kindly.
4 weeks.
He is
time
receiving that.
to file
proposal
contract, list after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
54.
May I please? Your lordship, matter relating to pensionary benefit lordship, and your lordship order dated 9/8/2023 lordship, whereby specifically directed to respondent number 7 lordship.
Yes, Doctor.
My lord, we have received some certain communication from the respondent number 6 and 5 and 4, my lord. But the pay and accounts official, Central Pension Accounting Office, Ministry of Finance. I have received a communication that we have not received any last payment certificate from the bank. It is maintained by this one.
You were given time to file your affidavit, 3 weeks time.
My lord, unless he informed me that unless the
No, what do you want today? You want time?
No, my lord, State Bank is the necessary party.
Yes, lordship, we make them party as party respondent number 7. Earlier lordship has directed to take dossier service, but unfortunately we have not taken. So liberty may be given to take face dossier service. As because State Bank is the necessary party lordship, if the State Bank has not furnished the pension proposal status report, the authority has not in a fit position to furnish the pensionary benefit. Thereby,
Yes,
so
they informed me that as
Who's
soon as
this? Bank,
State Bank, yes, necessary party, we make them as party respondent number 8 lordship.
Okay.
So earlier lordship has directed to take dossier service, but unfortunately we have not taken. So liberty may be given once again lordship. We will take dossier service. Respondent number 8 lordship.
Mr. M. Cycle and counsel for petition is of this. That due to any evidence, the petitioner could not serve close service of notice on this one of very by justice service. And therefore, press for another chance. Stop. Press allowed, petitioners directed to take steps for service of notice on this one number 8 by justice service to the registry of this court within a period of 1 week. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit. List after 2 weeks. Shall file an affidavit to the date.
And you have like
55.
May I please answer? Well, as per direction,
Have you filed your amended post title?
yes, my lord. And you'll also be kindly, my lord, office note dated 26/10/23. That is at flag X. Office note dated 26/10/23, my lord.
Yes. You are allowed to implement,
Respondent number 4, my lord.
then I'll issue notice on respond number 4.
Yes.
Anybody appearing for respond number 4? None. Heard, Mr.
J.C. Bora, my lord.
J.C. Bora, and counsel for the petition. Stop. As directed by this court earlier. Petitioner has filed a amended post title. Stop. Petitioner is directed to post service of notice on the respond number 4 by registered post ID within 1 week. Not 1 week. from-
My lord, in fact, my lord, other respondents are also not served, my lord. There is no notice issued, my lord, to the respondents, my lord. 1, 2, 3, my lord.
Why?
1, 2, 3, my lord. No notice is issued yet, my lord.
No notice was issued.
Yes, my lord. Because the day one, my lord, instruction was sought for, my lord, by this court.
Then I'll issue notice.
Okay.
Then you cancel that whole order. Has filed, heard Mr. So-and-so, the responsible petitioner. As directed by this court earlier, the petitioner has filed the amended post title. Issue notice. Who appears?
They are represented.
I'm for the respondent number 3.
Union of India,
I'm appearing for respondent number 1 and 2 on behalf of Mr. S.K. Medicine.
Mr. S.K. Medil and the CGC. Appears for respondents 1 and 2 and MS
As they on behalf of KK Nandi.
and Mr. K.K. Nandi, the council appears on behalf of respondent number 3. Stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respond number 4 by registered post ID within 1 week from today.
Yes. My lord, here, my lord,
List the matter up for.
my lord, as per direction of this court, my lord, 19/9/23, my lord. I was asked to, my lord, ascertain, my lord, because after, my lord, filing of this writ petition, some amount was released, my lord. So here it's a case, my lord, the family pension of the petitioner has been stopped. My lord, from February to 2023 to, my lord,
Let no notice go first.
because your lordship, my lord, my interim prayer is there, my lord, to my lord, pay the, my lord, provisional pension. Because there is no direction, my lord. Without direction, they have released some amount, my lord, and they may stop it anytime, my lord. Since there is no order from this court, my lord. So your lordship may, my lord, pass
Yes.
direction, my lord.
So lordship will take our instruction and we'll file a affidavit in opposition.
Okay, please stop the forwards.
In fact, my lord, they are now, my lord, they are, my lord, releasing, my lord, monthly, my lord, some amount, my lord. So that is not pursuant to any court's order, my lord. So they may stop anytime, my lord.
Let us see, let it come up forwards.
Also, my lord, your lordship may observe to, my lord, pass any order, interim, my lord, order, my lord, so that provisional pension may be granted, my lord. Because otherwise they may stop anytime,
We'll see after on the returnable date.
lordship. Well, may I pray for fixed date, my lord, because the pension matters, man.
11th December.
Lordship, deeply obliged.
56.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
In this case, my lord, on the last occasion, notices were issued. And formal parties accepted the notices. Some instructions are pending from their side. My lord. The petitioner has been receiving his provisional pension, but the final pension has not yet been released.
Yes, any,
No, my lord, we have not.
are you filing your affidavit?
Yes, my lord, 4 weeks. Kindly regard.
Heard, Mr.
Yes, Rava.
Yes, Ravan, let me counsel for the petition. Stop. Mr. N. G. Katania, standing counsel, school education department. Grace for
4 weeks.
4 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Grace allow, list of the 4 weeks.
Obliged.
60 of supplementary leave order.
Well, this is a matter where for non-finalization of pension matter, and we have pursuant to the order dated 18/9 to 2023. We have taken steps for registered post as well as.
Notice was issued?
Yes, my lord.
I appear for respondent 4, 5 and 6, madam. May I have to kindly grant this in time to
4, 5 and
6. The governing.
The college,
Okay, heard, Mr.
Adhar.
Adhar, let me counsel for the petition. Mr.
P. Bharadwaj.
B. Bharadwaj, learned counsel. Appearing on respondents,
4, 5 and 6, madam.
4, 5 and 6, praise for how much time?
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Praise Allah.
My lord, I have a little submission. Lordship will take the order dated 18/9/2023,
List after 3 weeks, yes.
18/9/2023,
Yes,
paragraph 13 of
Oh.
the said order. There was a,
there's only in order.
this was ordered, but they have not given anything till date.
Okay, let them come with the.
My lord, on the next date, they will provide any.
Okay.
Lordship will
57 of daily leave.
fixing any date, my lord.
No, after 2 weeks.
57 of daily leave hearing.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship may kindly see the last order dated 5/10/2023, your lordship. Last order.
But today I can't take up this matter.
Only difficulty is that, your lordship.
The DP status, I have to take into what the status of DP, and as far as my verbal instruction, the petitioner receives the arrear as per the substance allowance, your lordship.
That is different part.
That's
DP.
The DP issues, I will take instruction, your lordship. What is the state of DP, your lordship?
Your lordship, the person is going to retire on January. And in the meantime, his juniors has been promoted. He has been deprived from promotion. On the last occasion, this honorable court, your lordship, I will take only 1 minute, your lordship. Your lordship is rising. Your lordship is
Yes.
rising. I'll take only 1 minute, your lordship.
Yes, I'll give you 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. Kindly see, your lordship. Annexure 7, page 44. This is the show cause notice dated 17/2/2022. Then, your lordship, Annexure 8, my reply dated 23/3/2022. Almost more than 1.5 years.
Nothing has
There is a Supreme Court has judgment, your lordship. DP should be completed within 6 months. At best, it can extend up to 1 year. Otherwise, it has to be quashed. That judgment is also in the record.
Anyway,
Your lordship,
we will see.
Premnath Bali.
Heard, Mr.
Armujinda, your lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
R. Gogoi.
R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel.
Forest Department, lordship.
Forest Department submits that the petitioner has been paid his.
Area salary as well as
Salary-
subsidy.
salary.
Not a year, subsidiary allowances.
Yes, in areas.
No, not a year. It's a
If it-
subsidiary
if it-
allowance for a period, and that also without any interest, your lordship. That was due 3 years back, your lordship. After 3 years, they have paid.
Yes.
I have verbal instruction that he has been paid everything, your lordship. Now he's denying that he has not been paid. As far as DP is concerned, undertaken, what is status of DP?
Submits that the petitioner has been paid his yearly salary as well as subsistence allowance. However, he submits that he requires some time with regard to get to receive instructions with regard to the status of the DP departmental proceeding pending against the petitioner. So Mr. R.
Majumdar.
Then counsel for the petitioner, however, submits that the petitioner has not received his area salary.
No, that part I have received.
You're saying you
No,
didn't
no,
receive
no.
it?
I have been paid after interference by this honorable court. Last 15 days back.
Then cancel that order.
That part I am not insisting. I am insisting on
Matter again
DP,
on
your lordship.
21.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, the matter after 2.
Date may be fixed, your lordship.
Yes. 29th November.
Obliged, Lordship.
And my instruction is that in spite of direction of this honorable court to complete the DP within 2 months, after appointing the inquiry officer long back in May,
That
nothing,
will
no
take care-
progress.
That will take care of.
And I'll take
Yes.
instruction next year. I'll give it the
Yes.
status of it.
They have not completed, then we'll.
Then I will
cost
pray
it.
for quashing. What's of it?
Obliged, Lord.
Lordship. Lordship, I apologize, Lordship. In item number 49, I was in another court, Lordship. Kindly, my name may be recorded, Lordship.
This is item 49. Okay. Third MS,
D. Mohanto.
Mohanto Learned Counsel for the petition. What did I say? Mr. Matter.
Your lordship, item 59.
On your request, I'll adjourn the matter.
Lordship.
You are appearing on behalf of Yukin. I see
Yes,
that.
Lordship.
So on his, we'll adjourn
Lordship,
the
they have not filed the affidavit, Lordship. I adjourned the matter.
okay, on request made on behalf of Mr. Yukin, I and the senior counsel for the petitioner, release the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Sorry, your lordship. Item 57 may be part out, your lordship.
No, not for